Turn off or disable HP AI, optimize print formatting. In Windows, search for and open printers and scanners. Select your printer from the printer list, and then select Printing Preferences. Select Advanced. If you want to turn off HP AI for just the printer that you selected, select Off in the HP AI dropdown. Then select OK. If you want to disable HP AI for all of your printers, toggle off Enable HP AI by default. Then select OK. When you're ready to use HP AI again, you can simply click the toggle to turn it back on.